Okay, this car is also fitted with an aftermarket accessory, and it's Apple. It's an Apple CarPlay device. I think it's called an IDCore. The only thing you can see different, it's fitted behind the radio. In the auxiliary socket, you have that, which is, I'm assuming, a Bluetooth transmitter, and then also we've got a USB in lead, which is over and above what the normal Land Rover Discovery specification has. Now, I've done this a couple of times. I never read instructions. The one thing I would advise is, if you want it working straight away and your music to come through, what you have to do is, if we go to the music and the source, before you connect it, before you switch it on, click it to auxiliary, because it seems to actually take over your screen, and once it's taken over, you can't do anything with it. So I've changed that to auxiliary. Now, so in order to pair it, what we need to do, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're just watching out at the bottom there. There you go, IDCore. So we need, click on IDCore. Bluetooth pairing request, click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Right, now, use CarPlay. If you hadn't already clicked auxiliary, made sure it was going to play through auxiliary, I would say not now, but here we go. Use CarPlay. Just watch the screen. There you go, CarPlay's come up. Now if I go to my so that's it, that's playing music. So we'll just pause that. And then you've got your other things. It mirrors your phone screen, as I say. If I knock that up, kind of mirrors your phone screen. If I do that, there you go, audio books, Jaguar now playing, calendar, and then a WhatsApp. And you can send text using Siri. You can control it using Siri. If, for instance, you want navigation, hey Siri, navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Preston PR5, 4GB.
Close enough. There you go. So you just, all you have to do is click go.
To PR5, 4GB. You can ask Siri to report any accidents or hazards you see along the way.
Now,
head east on Trough Road.
Could have done with knowing that before when we passed that polo in the hedge. So, you know, it's really good. That's the best system as well, because your phone is updated over your SIM card every day, and the actual system in a car, you usually have to buy a new card every year. So what else have we got? Let's see. Hey Siri, send a message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Gordon Coleman.
What do you want to say?
Weatherspoons sucks.
Your message to Gordon says Weatherspoon sucks. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
There you go. Now I don't, that's my mate's favourite pub. I like Weatherspoons. It doesn't suck. That's just a message to wind him up, just so long as everybody's clear. Thanks for watching.